Breaking news. US President Donald Trump has introduced a new gold card visa program offering a fast track to US residency and citizenship for a whopping $5 million investment. This new visa is set to replace the existing EB-5 investor visa, which required job creation. Now, the focus shifts entirely to wealth-based immigration. For over 1 million Indians stuck in green card backlogs, this announcement raises concerns. Skilled professionals who have been waiting for years may now find themselves at a disadvantage as ultra-rich investors get top priority. Trump's team claims the initiative will bring billions in investment and strengthen the US economy. But critics argue it creates a system where only the wealthy can secure American residency. With the program expected to roll out in the next 2 weeks, experts are debating whether this move is a game changer for the US economy or simply citizenship for sale. So what do you think? At Kanan.co, we understand how crucial immigration policies are for students and professionals aspiring to settle abroad. Our experts are closely monitoring this development and can guide you through alternative pathways to study, work, and settle in the US, Canada, UK, and Germany. For personalized guidance and expert visa consultation, visit Kanan.co today and stay tuned for more updates.